Oh my god, I don't know what's gonna happen. My mom and dad will let me get out of their home. Tomorrow is a test and I need to study, and I know that I cannot study in a day. Oh god, just please help me out. Please send somebody to really help me.
Hey Tom, why are you crying? I mean, even girls don't cry like this. If you have some problem, then just share it with me, or you can share it with anybody. You will find the solution. Why are you crying like hell? Stop crying first, or else you will let there be the flood of your tears. Please don't cry and explain me what's the problem.
You know what, Anna? I wasn't aware that the exams are so near. I thought I'll study, but I didn't. I wasn't able to manage. Please help me out. Tomorrow the teacher has said for the test on enamel. Can you please explain me something about enamel? Please.
Oh my god, Tom, was it just the matter? Just relax. I will teach you what all I have learned, and I'll tell you about enamel, what all I can teach you. Don't worry, be happy.
Oh, Anna, you don't know. You turned my tears of sadness into tears of happiness, joy, and excitement. I assure you that what all you'll teach me, I'll learn that and I'll memorize that for throughout life.
Okay, follow with me, and I'll take you to my study room. There I can explain you everything.
Oh, Anna, I'm just coming. Oh, sister, please wait for me.
Enamel is made up of enamel rods. These enamel rods are actually the structural unit of enamel. Moreover, if you look at the composition of enamel, it is 96% inorganic substance and just 4% is your water and organic constituents. Never forget about this name when you are studying about enamel, because the 96% inorganic constituent are your hydroxyapatite crystals. Oh Tom, please stop making noise. You are actually disturbing other people in the class as well, and you are disturbing me in my pronunciation. So please stop talking and concentrate on the topic that you have asked for the help. As here you can see, the diagrams show you a single enamel rod. You can see the shape of this enamel rod. The upper circular portion that you can appreciate is the head, followed by the body and followed by the fish tail. The enamel rod have a body, a head and a tail, and this structure is really important. Because of this structure only, these enamel rods fit so properly and in tight contact with one another that enamel is so hard. If you see the structure, then you can see that I have written three things over here: enamel rod, rod sheath and inter-rod substance. These are the three things that you need to mention when you are studying about the structure of enamel rod. Enamel rod is the most calcified structure, followed by the inter-rod substance and your rod sheath.
Anna, why are you saying that enamel rod is different, rod sheath is different, and your inter-rod substance is different?
Really good question, Tom. I will tell you why I have said so. If you look at the calcification of your rod, enamel rod, if you look at the calcification or calcified structure of your rod substance, and if you look at the inter-rod substance, in all these three things you will find that the maximum calcified structure is your enamel rod, followed by your inter-rod substance, and then followed by your rod sheath.
Anna, why is that rod sheath least calcified structure?
I think, Tom, you are seriously taking interest in the subject. I'll tell you. Actually, what happens when the crystals are orienting, basically during the orientation of crystals, what actually happen when it has formed one enamel rod and it is about to form the second one, there is slight change, you can say, in the orientation of the crystals which are forming these enamel rods. And because of the changes in the crystal orientation from one rod to the another, the crystals at some particular area are not tightly packed. And because they are not tightly packed, so they get enough space for the organic matrix, and that particular region we will call it as the rod sheath. I'll tell you an important fact about it. The rod sheaths are more evident if you do see them in a hypocalcified enamel, or if you do see them in case of your mild acid testing. It is acid resistant layer as well.
Thank you so much, Anna, for explaining each and every line that you say.
I hope Tom, this much is enough for you? Then next time we are going to study more detail about it. Don't worry, I'll be helping you out all the time.